Here is the Antonio Carraro SRX9400, 2003 model. It's done approximately 2,700 hours. It has brand new tyres on the left hand side. It has wheel weights all the way around the tractor. It has 3 sets of hydraulic remotes and a reversible console which can be spun around to the forward facing direction of the tractor in a very short amount of time. It has 16 gear ratios, synchro shuttle forward and reverse. It has the 2-speed PDO with ground. It has push button control for forward drive, cross locks and PDO. As you'll see here, the machine actually operates and runs very nicely. We'll just start it. And, yeah, that runs nicely.